Good day. Thank you for giving me a chance to introduce myself to your family. I hope you're in a good condition while watching this video. I am Aname Borlas, 37 years old, married, and have 3 kids. I live here in Barangay Salnek, Bukay, Abra. I am a college vocational graduate taking up caregiver. I also attending a training in the hospital taking good care of the elderly and infants. I've also known how to monitor blood pressure. I have 2 brothers. I am the second child of the family. I am honest, responsible, and friendly and hardworking. I work as a nanny here in the Philippines for 1 year with the 3 members of the family. 1 adult and 2 kids, ages 8 and 11. My duties there are cleaning the house, washing dishes, washing clothes, and preparing their needs in the school. Hello ma'am sir, I hope you choose me to work in your family as a helper. I promise to do my best and responsibilities. I will love and take good care of your kids if you have. I will respect and treat your family as my own family. I hope I will finish my contract and willing to renew as long as you want me. Thank you. God bless.